Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Vercel Postgres in 2026. So first of all, simply log in into your Vercel account. Then you just have to simply open that particular project that you want to connect to a Postgres SQL database. Now over here, when you are inside the project, simply hover over to the left hand side, and among the given options, you just have to look for the option of storage. So when you are here inside the storage option, you will be shown bunch of different options of creating the database. Now, since Vercel Postgres is no longer offered as a standalone product, you can just simply look for the option of Neon. So right next to the Neon, you just have to simply click on the option of create. Now here, first of all, click on the option of agree and terms and conditions. Then you just have to scroll down and again click on the option of continue. Then again click on the option of continue and then click on the option of create. Now once it is created successfully, click on the option of add integration or connect, and you will now be asked to choose how you want to connect Neon. So here for the new database, you can choose the option to create a new Neon account. Then you can select the Vercel project that you want to connect and complete the authorization setup. So here you will find the connect to project option. Now once the integration is installed, Neon will provision your Postgres SQL database and it will connect it to your Vercel project. Next, you need to just open the storage section of your Vercel project and select the connected Neon database. Then you can just simply choose open in Neon console, and inside the Neon console you can open the SQL editor. So this is where you can basically create and manage your database tables using SQL. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.